Hi Kashama, this is Rod Ramos from Cash Management Finance. Now we're going to correct some misconception about our loan product. Number 1. Hay nako, di naman nag-a-approve ng loan yan pag walang purpose. So for that misconception number 1, very wrong yan ha. Kasi lahat ng loan purpose pwede natin i-accommodate. It's either loan, business loan purpose, additional capital, house renovation, house construction, even tuition fee. Pwede po kahit na ano. Medical, pwede din po yun, no problem for that. Okay. Number 2, madaming hidden charges naman dyan. Wala po tayong appraisal fee inside Metro Manila or NCR. Pag outside NCR po, doon na po tayo maniligal ng appraisal fee na nakadepende sa layo po ng ating property or doon sa ating pupuntahan. Number 3, matagal ang process ng application. Okay? Ito, madalas to misconception sa mga financing. But we make sure and we will work on 7 days process, working days after pong ma-visit or ma-CI and ma-appraise yung ating property. Number 4, mahirap yung terms of payment. Pag mas mahaba yung term, mas maliit po yung ating hulugan monthly. Number 5, hindi nila kayang i-accommodate lahat ng application. Okay? So, proudly say, ang cash management po ay merong branches na outside NCR. So, dito po sa lahat ng application na papasok sa Metro Manila, we can accommodate dito po sa head office sa Quezon City, Muñoz. Kapag kayo naman po ay nasa Cavite, Batangas, and Laguna, meron po tayong mga branches dyan na makaka-accommodate sa inyo ng mas mabilis at hindi rin nyo kailangan magbayad ng appraisal fee. Depende po sa layo ng ating property. Number 6, hindi lahat makaka-apply ng loan. Okay. For this question or misconception, actually kahit po OFW pwede. Siguro ang hindi pwede, yung bata or yung minor pa. But kung kayo po ay 21 years old, capable to pay, meron tayong source of income, kahit po sino pwede. Kahit dual citizen pa kayo, pwede po tayong mag-apply. Number 7, pag nagka-utang ka sa kanila, mahirapan kang makaahon sa utang. Okay. So, si Cash Management, one of our mission or vision of this company is to help yung ating client. Isa po yan sa reason namin bakit hindi natin minamax yung fair value or yung halaga ng property natin. And itatali po natin yan sa capacity ng client to pay, yung kanyang source of income. Okay? There you go guys. Yun po yung ating mga misconception na sana is alam na natin na mali. Bye!